Happy Global MedLab Week 2026. Do you think it is the machines that do all the lab work or the man behind the machine? Maybe women behind the machine? Let me walk you through a day in the lab. Where is the report and how do we? Why are you not telling me? How is it happening? Okay, yeah, good morning.
Dear accreditation, we need your review and signature.
Yes, let us do it. Meanwhile, we will work on this one and get the report. We need to work on our TAT and what is the report issue that we have to see. Critical clinical alert values?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. Hello.
Hi, Kavita ma'am. This is Dr. Mehak Bhandari.
Good morning, sir.
See, my patient HbA1c pre-operatively the values are different and post-operatively the values are different. Can you just find out that what is the problem?
Okay.
So, ma'am, I am sending you the patient details. I am sending you both the reports. Kindly see to it and just get back to me as soon as possible, please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Just now I got a call from MD sir that there is a query on the HbA1c. So I want all the report to be ready within 2 hours of downtime. Dr. Neha, you please go immediately and check on the ECAS of 2 months and get me a report. Shalini, please check on the ECAS of both the machines and tell me what was wrong, and Surbi, please start out the specialization.
Ma'am, we checked today's QC. Actually, cholesterol and chloride both show in -3 ST, ma'am.
Okay, so immediately shift these two tests on the other machine if the QC on the other machine is fine.
Yes.
Okay, open the LJ chart on the machines. I'll come and review. Show me.
Chloride went to 3 SD and we have shifted to backup machine, and backup
Good.
machine QC is fine.
Okay, do the proper RCA kappa, why it came as
Yes.
minus EST. Okay. So what is the status of HbA1c? Okay, very good. How about months ECAS?
Ma'am, both months are fine. I contact engineer, but he told that there is some glitch in machine. It may be because of analytical error, and it may be because of some pressure changes in.
Okay, fine. So in that case, immediately make me a report. Make a preventive action on how we can prevent that voltage glitch, what you are talking about, and immediately mail it to me. I need to report it back.
Madam, one more issue is there regarding the contaminated sample.
Okay. What contamination?
I think it is iridium sample.
Okay, what was the potassium?
Potassium is more than 14 and calcium is less than 1.
Okay, that proves it could be. So did the sample clot?
No, ma'am.
Let us see this. Not clotting?
It is not floating, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know from which ward this is?
205 code.
205. So how repeatedly you get this contaminated sample?
I think it is 2 or third time we are getting it.
Then we'll do one thing. I'll ask the doctors to arrange a training for it. Thank you for bringing it to notice. Thank you. Dr. Nazri,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm seeing one of the patient's stat is getting bad. What is the reason?
Actually, ma'am, for this patient, we have received 2 samples of calcium in which the value is more than 14 mg per dl in both those reports.
Okay, so why haven't they ordered for PTH and RFT? Do one thing, send a advisory comment and approve it immediately, okay? And meanwhile, go to the ward and get the history.
Okay, ma'am, we'll do that. Thank you.
Ma'am, amylase and lipase is very high and USG doesn't correlating with pancreatitis.
Okay, so from which ward is this patient?
Nephrology.
Nephrology. Okay, could be a CKD patient then.
Ma'am, amylase is 14,000.
What about lipase?
Lipase is 7,000.
Okay, so let us once discuss with the nephrologist and get to know what the case is. Okay.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. There is a patient of yours, a CKD patient. He has very high lipase, sir.
Okay, ma'am. In CKD patient, because of the clearance, lipase can be high. That not be of any importance actually.
But the lipase is around 7,000 to 8,000. Would it be so high, sir?
Oh, it's 7,000. Then it should be something with pancreas, because even if it is not cleared, this is flooded. Actually, the values are flooded. So we should think of pancreatitis.
Okay. It's not correlating with the ultrasound for pancreatitis.
Ma'am, USG cannot be correlating. We should do the CT scan and then we should find out whether something is there in pancreas.
Okay. So in that case, would you please ask for a CT scan for the patient?
Yeah, ma'am, we will do that. Thank you for informing us.
Thank you so much, sir. Sorry, sir, we kept you waiting.
No problem.
Please have a seat. Yes, sir. What brings you here, sir?
Madam, as we have already discussed, can we have MBBS clinical training today itself?
Today, let me find out, sir. What about the ward training that we had
We
planned?
have already arranged proper phlebotomy training for ADT contamination.
Okay, very nice. Okay, what about the video recording from multimedia?
She's there now.
We want all the training video recordings to be done so that we can circulate it to all the wards. Could it be done?
We will do that.
Thank you so much. Sir, I'm very sorry. Today it is already occupied. Can we schedule it some other day?
Surely, madam, certainly. No problem.
Thank you, sir. So this was our day in the lab. So there is man and women behind the machine. Not all superheroes wear capes. Some wear lab coats too. Signing off for the day. Bye-bye.